Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smartband, your band needs to be paired with the iPhone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the FITBIT application to send the notifications from your iPhone to the smartband. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of applications. Right here, on this list, find the FITBIT application and tap on it. And here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Tap on notifications and also make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Okay. Now we can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on the Bluetooth option. Here, find the Charge 4, our smartband, on the list of My Devices. Now, tap on the info icon next to it. And here, make sure that the Share System Notifications option is enabled. Once it's enabled, we can close the settings, open the FITBIT application on our iPhone. Now tap on the profile icon to open the account page. Then tap on the Charge 4 on the list of devices. And here, scroll down, find the notifications, tap on it. And right here we can enable and disable the notifications for calls, text messages, and calendar events, basically by tapping on the switches. Also, you can tap on app notifications, and here we can enable or disable the notifications for the specific apps. As you can see, we have only Instagram on the list for some reason. Okay. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your smartband. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.